Squarespace version 7.1's global style options allows you to make large-scale style changes to your site, including the color, size, and font. This creates a consistent look to help you maintain a unified brand. Let's go into the design panel. Here, you can change the colors, fonts, spacing, and many other elements. When we click on fonts, we'll see multiple type options grouped under different categories. Serif fonts have more of a classic feel, while sans serif fonts are more modern. Now let's change the colors of our site. You can choose your preferred set of colors and how they display using the theme and palette options. In the spacing section, you can change the width of your page, space, and padding between items. Any edits you make can be reversed using the undo button. Let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.